My sister brought this smoked salmon all the way from Alaska, so let me show you a super easy sandwich you can make at home, and you can use any smoked salmon of your choice. First, let's prep the ingredients. You'll need some smoked salmon, an egg or two, an avocado, and your favorite bread. I'm using a multigrain sourdough loaf from Duffy Dough. I think it pairs perfectly with this recipe. First, bake your bread in the oven according to the instructions on the package. Heat up oil in a pan and fry your egg. If you like your egg still runny, you take it out at this point. But I like my egg well done, so I'm going to wait. Flip it one more time and cook briefly, then take it out from the pan. Here's the smoked salmon. It's actually quite delicate and crumbly, and I've already ruined a few slices. To save the rest, I'm going to cut the other side of the bag and just slide the salmon out. Next, I'll show you how to get a perfect Hass avocado. This green and hard avocado is okay. This one is darker and yet still hard is okay too. In fact, I prefer picking a hard avocado and let it sit on my kitchen counter for a few days until it is slightly softened. See, when I push it gives in slightly, and I can feel the inside is slightly soft. Now let's cut and peel the avocado. Then we slice it and set aside. Then we slice the warm bread. You can also use a regular sandwich bread and just put in a toaster. I like to spread some mayo on each slice of bread. Now let's assemble the sandwich. And if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes like this. First, I put a slice of the smoked salmon. You can put 2 slices if you want. Then I put the egg, then the sliced avocado. Top it with the other slice of bread, then slice it in half. And there you have it, an easy smoked salmon sandwich you can make at home. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.